Hello students, welcome to Elga 5 revision class of Unit 3 at Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ramnagar. Students, before we start the class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook and a notebook. Students, as you know already, the unit name of Unit 3 is Adventure. Now, in the previous class, we have covered phonics and whole word section. Now, in this class, we are going to cover reading and listening comprehension part. So, let us begin our revision class with the concepts. So, today's concepts are reading and listening comprehension part. So, in that, character traits, physical, finding meaning of new words, sequencing events and describe the setting with evidence. Now, moving to character traits. Students, a character can be described based on what you see with your own eyes. So, we look at a character and describe it. So, we use evidence or proof from the text. We use evidence or proof from the text. Now, students, we are looking at a picture on the screen. Aryan. We can say that Aryan looks short and plump. Aryan looks short and plump. So, we have also read about this in the story. We have also read this in the story. Now, moving to find the meaning of new words. So, we can find the meaning of new words by using the clues from the text or story. So, students, here we have to follow 4 steps to find the meaning of new words. Now, and we are going to see the 4 steps with examples. So, first step, look at the picture. Now, you are looking at the screen, there is a picture. Some people with their children standing in the beach. Yes. Now, second step, read the sentence again. Read the sentence again. So, here in the example, we are going to read the example. Aryan was his younger brother. Aryan was his younger brother who was short and plump. Who was short and plump. Next, step 3. Connect it with what you already know. Connect it with what you already know. So ask yourself only, how is Aryan looking and what kind of physical features does he have? What kind of physical features does he have? So step 4, now it is time to guess the meaning. So based on these points, now we can say that the meaning of plump is a little fat. So the meaning of plump is a little fat. So here the new word is plump. The meaning of the new word plump is a little fat. So now moving to sequencing events. So, good readers sequence the events in a story while retelling it. Good readers sequence the events in a story while retelling it. So, we sequence the events into 3 parts. So, what are the 3 parts now? We are going to see. So, beginning, middle and end. So, in the beginning, what we are seeing, in the beginning, who are the characters, what is the setting. and in the middle what happens to the character, what happens to the characters, and end how are the characters different than they were at the beginning of the story, how are the characters different than they were at the beginning of the story. Now moving to example. So here now let us sequence the events from the story with example Akshay and Aryan's holiday. This is the story. Here we have to find beginning, middle and end. In the beginning, coming to beginning, Akshay and Aryan have come for a holiday to beach with their parents. They both go surfing in the sea. They both go surfing in the sea. Now middle, Aryan gets scared. Akshay and Aryan come back to the beach. Akshay feels sad. Akshay feels sad. End. Aryan wants to try skateboarding. They go skateboarding. Both of them have lot of fun. Both of them have lot of fun. So this is the event sequence, the events of the story. Understood? Now moving to last point. Describe the setting with evidence. Describe the setting with evidence. So now we have to know the meaning of setting. The setting is where and when the story takes place. So we describe the setting by saying this. We describe the setting by saying these. What it looks like, what it sounds like, and what time it is. What it looks like, what it sounds like, and what time it is. So we have to describe like this with evidence. Now here, now we are looking at a picture on the screen. Now we are looking at a picture on the screen. So we use evidence from the story to support our answer. So first one, here what is the setting? What is the setting? Here of course the setting is moon. Now how does it look? Now children, you looking at the picture now. How does it look? Yes, grey, and it has holes and no trees, and it is different from the earth. So it is totally different from the earth. Now so here the evidence from the story is on the page number 3. The author says that it was dark and grey. So now the surface was different than Earth's. The surface was different than Earth's. So students, I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.